Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the lock screen settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Personalization button at the left side of the screen to show the personalization settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Lock Screen button to the right to show the lock screen settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To select which content to show on the lock screen in Windows 11, select a choice from the Personalize your lock screen settings dropdown. If you select the picture choice, then you can either select a recent picture shown in the Recent Images settings section, or click the Browse Photos button in the Choose a Photo section to launch an open dialog box that lets you select a local picture from your computer to use. To show tips on your lock screen, check the Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and More on your lock screen checkbox. To hide tips on the lock screen, uncheck this checkbox. Alternatively, if you select the Slideshow choice, then click the Browse button in the Add an Album for your slideshow setting to open a Select Folder button that lets you select the folder that contains the pictures to use for the slideshow, and then click the Choose this folder button to apply the change. The list of selected folders for the slideshow appears below this setting. To remove a folder you have added, click the Remove button to the right of the folder. Like pictures, to show tips on your lock screen, check the Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and More on your lock screen checkbox. To hide tips on the lock screen, uncheck this checkbox. To set advanced slideshow settings, if you select the slideshow choice, click the Advanced Slideshow Settings button to expand and collapse it as needed. To include camera roll folders from this PC in OneDrive, check the Include Camera Roll Folders from this PC in OneDrive checkbox. To only use pictures that fit your screen, check the Only Use Pictures That Fit My Screen checkbox. To play the slideshow on battery power, check the Play a Slideshow when using battery power checkbox. To show the lock screen instead of turning off the screen when your PC is inactive, check the When my PC is inactive, show the lock screen instead of turning off the screen checkbox. To turn the screen off after playing the slideshow for a time period, select the desired choice from the Turn off the screen after the slideshow has played for dropdown. For all lock screen content choices, to show details from a selected app on the lock screen in Windows 11, select the name of the desired app from the Lock Screen Status Settings dropdown. To show or hide the lock screen picture on the sign-in screen, click the Show the Lock Screen Background Picture on the Sign-in Screen Settings toggle switch to set it to either the on or off position as desired. If you click the Screen Timeout Setting button under the Related Settings section, you will see the power and battery settings and the system settings as previously discussed. To return to the lock screen settings, click the back arrow button in the upper left corner of the Settings app window. To change your screensaver in Windows 11, click the Screensaver Settings button under the Related Settings section to open the Screensaver Settings dialog box. To set a screensaver, select a choice from the Screensaver dropdown. To change the selected screensaver's settings, if available for your selected screensaver, click the adjacent Settings button, make any changes in the dialog box that appears, and then click the Save or OK button. To preview the screensaver, click the Preview button to show it on screen. To stop the preview, move your mouse pointer on screen. To choose how long to wait before the screensaver appears, enter a number of minutes into the Wait spinner box. To show the sign-in screen after resuming from the screensaver, check the On Resume Display Log On Screen checkbox. To apply your screensaver settings, click the OK button in the Screensaver Settings dialog box. Alternatively, to cancel your changes, click the Cancel button. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.